Hi guys, today will be just short video, just few words about how to connect the motors or cutting units for our stuff, for our products. I mean BoilieRoller Maxi set and Automated Boilie Lab machine. So motors we have 110 or 230 volts. So the motor can be used for Boilie Lab or for BoilieRoller machine, it doesn't matter. Also we have 12 volts motors with transformer, with speed regulator, which can use on Boilie Lab and BoilieRoller as well, without any problems. Even old our motors, which was 12 volts motors, which and 230 volts motors, which was fixed from right hand side of machine. Machines still have the holes to fix old type of our motors. So if you have BoilieRoller or Boilie Lab machine and you have any type of our motors, you can use it without any problems. Another thing is cutters. Cutters, to fix cutter is very easy. It's need, for example, for maxi set, if you have cutter, you getting set like that, and you just taking off these 4 screws, fix cutter on the top, bumper in the front. That is what's fixed. The same on a Boilie Lab. Just couple screws, bolts I mean, and you will fix it to machine. To connect, so it doesn't matter what voltages of your cutter, or 240, 230 or 12 volts, it doesn't matter. You can connect it. If it's 12 volts, you will connect to the other side of the transformer. If it's 230, you just plug in to power supply socket. Pressure on the cutters, the working system of these cutters is the same. So they have 2 cylinders. They have switches, we have rollers, and they move the same way. So also they have each has some hose without any connection. So this is connected to regulators. Regulators you're getting in set with cutter like this. It's packed. When you unpack it, you can fix it to wall or to stand this way. So regulator with filter must regulate pressure on cutter, and regulator without filter regulate pressure on dot gun. Yeah, you see, this connection is for dot gun, and here is a connection to your compressor. If you remember this hose, you have to connect to there. So to pressure regulator, which regulate cutting unit. Everything is very easy. It's impossible to connect that one to somewhere in another place. Just to quick connect it to your compressor. That one as well is impossible to connect somewhere in another place, in wrong place, because it's nowhere to fix, to fit in. Just one place is loose, that one. If you want to take out the hose, you have just to press small plastic and pull out the hose. So regulators, pressure regulators, you have to, if you want to regulate the pressure, you have to lift up the regulator and you can regulate it. After, just press down and you will fix it. No, not need to try to turn it without lifting up, because you will break the insides. So another thing is pressure on when the system is working. Normally we recommend pressure when it's showing about on the top of these digits. So it's about 5 psi, no, 5 bars, 5-6 bars. We recommend, but that recommendation is just recommendation, because you have to try to test. Maybe with more pressure is better for you, maybe with smaller pressure is better for you. Just for cutter is not need to use maximum pressure, because when the cylinders will work on maximum pressure, you will short than life. So better to use pressure that just what it need. One more thing is the stand. Some guys doing some mistake and putting these legs through this plate, but this plate has some hole in the middle, so this is for fix it to table, for example, and that just putting on top. That's it. It's stable. It's not moving anymore. One more thing about nozzles. With Boilie Lab you will get 5 nozzles. 4 of them is pre-cutted, 1 is new one. Also, when you ordering BoilieRoller, you getting 1 nozzle which is pre-cutted about the correct size. It's possible is about correct, I mean in a smaller side, because if you see your boilies looks like not round but looks like dumbbells, you can cut off little bit to get around boilies. Just don't forget, every dough is different. So if you will use softer dough, when it goes out, it's little bit sausage will be bigger than your hole's size. So just you have to keep in mind that. What more? That's it. Thanks.